Hey everyone, welcome back to another product video for this clear cooking pot. I already had this pot for over 4 months now and I love this pot. This pot, I like how fast that the water starts boiling in here, and I also like the convenience of seeing your food as you're cooking it through this clear pot. Here's the lid. The lid comes with a little venting hole right here so you could close it and all the steam will come out. It has two convenient handles that stays cool as the pot is hot, so you could grab it here without having to worry about burning yourself, and it has a nice little handle on top. This is a great cooking pot and it holds a decent amount of food in here. Overall, this is a great glass cooking pot. I like how quickly that the water boils here, and I also like how the handles, they don't get hot when the pot is hot itself. And I also like how it comes with this vent hole on top, so you can keep the lid on top of it without having to worry that the water boils over and dirties your stove or your cooktop.